Hello boys and girls, today we have magical colors. Let's draw jellyfish. To draw jellyfish, we will be needing one paper, one marker, one pencil and few colors, whatever you have. Okay, let's do it. To make a jellyfish, you need to make a backwards U, and then we're going to make like an umbrella or like a U, and keep going till you go to the end. Okay, and now they have a round on the top and curves here. Jellyfish lives in the water. Do you know that? Everybody knows that, right? And jellyfish don't have heart or brain. They don't even have bones, and some don't have eyes also. You know that? Let's make some tentacles. What do they have? They have long, curved or straight lines like this. And they are like called tentacles. Okay? They are very sharp. Yeah. So they can catch their food. And in the center, they have some like a frill. Their tentacles are like this in the center. So they can catch the food and eat. Okay? There are many tentacles and there are so many kinds of jellyfish. Some jellyfish are called moon jellyfish. There are called even lion mane jellyfish. Do you know that? They can be tall as human. Yeah. Or they can be small as little pin. And you know, some lives only for few days. Babies lives only for few days. And some lives for like 1 year or so. And few of them lives forever. They never die. Yeah, they never die. And you know, there are many kinds of jellyfish, and some of those jellyfish get together. Like suppose we have here, one is going here, some are going here, and there are many going on the together. They go all together. You know how they go all together? They cannot swim. Some can swim only backwards, but most of them cannot swim. So what happens when the wind comes and wind pushes them, and they all goes in a group? As the wind blows faster and harder, they all go in a group. It is not very safe. That is dangerous. Yeah, sometimes the wind blows so hard, they all goes at the end of the shore, and on the sand they lay down and they die. But you know what? Their tentacles are so poisonous, even after the death, they can stink. Yeah, some stinks and some has very toxinated, and they can kill humans sometimes. Yeah. And you know, jellyfish are transparent in color. They don't have much color, but like a glass they are. So when the light comes, it reflects on the glass. So how the rainbow color appears, right? So just like that, our jellyfish also shows there are many colors. But some of them have pigment that is called color, and they have some special pigment in their body, and they can change the color. Yeah, so there are all different kinds of jellyfish. Did you ever see jellyfish? Now you can make one for yourself And maybe you can make one for your mama or papa or your brother and sister, anybody you want to. And you know what? You can have a lot of fun. You can cut some small slices of the paper and you can make tentacles with that, and you can make some frill tentacles also. See, they are looking like a curve. I'm just making an outline so you all can see better, and you can color as you like. We can color and we can paint, or we can use crayons, and we can do many fun things. But use whatever you have. Even you can leave it with the marker, just like a black and white. But it is important to learn drawings, so make sure you draw some for yourself and for your mama or your sister or brother. Okay, so they have some patterns also here and here inside. Let's do some pattern. This will be, it might be like this. Let's put one line in the center and go curve like an umbrella. See? Now let's color. Would you like to color with me? So what color would you like to do it with me? Let's do it yellow. Maybe this is yellow or orange again. Yeah, this is like dark yellowish orange. You don't have to fill, but you can make some lines. See? Looks cute, right? I like it. You like it? You can put whatever color you like. You can put pink or blue or green. Whatever color you have, you can put, right? So let's make a double outline for our tentacles too. Make it a little broader so everybody can see. Make a little darker, like this. And this is very easy. You can draw now and color with me. It is almost done. Now you make one for yourself and one for anybody you like. Or you can make two for yourself. But don't put any eyes. They don't have eyes or heart. No bones for them. And you know what they eat? They eat small fish eggs. And very tiny little fish they eat. Do you want to draw some fish? Real quick, we'll draw some fish. Okay, let's draw like an oval and a little triangle. See? Some are going this side, some are going the other side, some are going up as well. And let's put some small eggs here. They like to eat eggs. They eat eggs as well as they eat some seed plants also. Yeah. Now you do it and have a lot of fun.